Mark Klundegren asked, when moving to Saipan, do you need to have a local address in order to get on the USPS PO Box waiting list? Okay, typically over the years, when people have come here, they could generally get get on the waiting list to get a PO box here on Saipan without having secured an actual physical location. However, the last time that I went with someone, I was told that yes, they do need to have a physical address and proof of that. So perhaps a utility bill or a lease agreement showing before you can get on the waiting list. So yes, the answer to your question is technically you do, but it might also depend on which post office you go to, depending on maybe how long the waiting list is or the particular agent you deal with. But technically, from what I'm told, yes, you do need to have a physical address before you can get on the waiting list. But the good news is, these days, because the population is a little bit less than it used to be, the waiting period is not that long. So you're not going to lose that much time between when you land, when you find a place, and when you get yourself on the waiting list. And last time I was there, a person in line before me waited 2 months before they got a PO box. All right, so the wait is not that long. It used to be as much as 6 months or more. So yes, you do need a physical address, but give it a try anyway. Once you get here, check out one of the 3 different post office locations that might be convenient for you. The one here in Chalankanoa, that's the main post office, the largest one, but there are 2 more. There's one in Garapan, or 3 more, one in Garapan, one in San Vicente, let's see, and then the one here in Chalankanoa. All right, so yes, apartment first, waiting list second. Yes, Mark, that would be your best bet to proceed.